Hey, we're making a spinach lasagna today. For all you gnomes out there who probably have a green aura, meaning that you're super earthy, you love cabins in the woods and ovens, you like everything to come out of the oven. That's how you vibe. Watch me put together this spinach lasagna. That's probably the color of your aura. It's got 3 layers in it. It's got all the yummy things in it. It's got the spinach, it's got the pork sausage, it's got ricotta cheese and cream cheese and Italian style cheeses. Go ahead and chop that lasagna up and cook up your pork sausage. And we're going to do 3 layers. Add a jar of pasta sauce into that because we know that your vibe, you gnomes, your go-to is that you'll just stick a pizza in the oven, but you really need that green energy for your heart. You love to do things from the heart. You love to eat from the oven. You like to cook for others. Add the jar of pasta sauce. Let it cook down a little bit. Add some cream cheese and some ricotta cheese, some mozzarella cheese. And you're going to put it in that messy oven of yours. I know mine's messy. You hardly ever clean it because you use it so much you don't have time to clean it. And you prefer warm foods over a crunchy cold salad. Let's make the 3 layers. And got that spinach going. Add some Italian cheeses. Sprinkle that on top of each layers. And we know that you love to serve your food to others. That's your heart language. You like to see the look on people's faces when they're eating your warm, home-cooked food. And your eyeballs probably roll into the back of your head as you're eating that warm food. Forget about eating the crunchy, cold spinach or the raw carrots or the raw cucumbers. You like your food warm, you like it cooked, you're still getting that energy in there, you're still getting that spinach in there. We know that you vibrate with that medium green color because you love everything from the earth. You like to walk through the trees, you like to have friends and family around, you like to use warm wooden utensils, and maybe cook over a fire, have warm drinks, cook that lasagna up until it's bubbly, let it set for a minute, and keep eating your green foods. There's other things that you can eat other than spinach, but just saying, if you want a little lift for your day, make sure to put that cooked spinach in there. And have a good day.